Hey guys, my name is Shubham and today I'm going to show you how you can make it private your message. This is quite easy guys, just go to your setting and drag down there is notifications. Just click on notification, drag down and select message. If you want to make it silent, just click on none. Come back and make sure to hide show on lock screen and so as banners should be turned off. And the last point is go to show previews and make it never. That's it guys. By using this trick you can make it private your message. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and never forget to click on bell icon.